So I was thinking the other day about doing some wood carving. A few years back, about 2 years ago, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought some of these little cheap chisels for wood carving, and I tried using them and all of them snapped off. And I guess that's what I get for only spending $5 on some cheap wood carving chisels. And I tried using them on this piece of wood that I got, and I don't remember what type of wood it was, but it seemed to be a pretty hard piece of wood, and I tried carving into it, and the first one I used, it snapped right off, and I got another one that one snapped right off after about a minute. And then so I went to back to the art store, and I picked up some of this softer wood, and I tried carving into it, but they still kept snapping. And so I'm probably going to invest in some better wood carving chisels and all that. And some of them won't snap within 5 minutes. And they have different types of wood. There's softer woods and there's no harder woods. A harder wood like cherry and all that. That's for people that are more experienced. And I think that with the way I draw, like when I'm doing the portraits with a ballpoint pen, I kind of build up everything with the ballpoint pen. I kind of scribble all over. And the way I'm thinking is, when I'm drawing something, I tend to remember things very well when it's, hands-on. I remember the shape of things really well. Like if I touch an object or anything, it's like I can remember it in my head in very precise detail, in memory with how it feels and everything. So I think I'll do pretty good with wood carving. And I think maybe I might try doing working with clay or something like that. See how I do, because I want to expand my artistic abilities, not just drawing and painting, but I also want to try woodworking and clay and wood burning and all that. See what I can do and see what I can make. And I know that the chisels for the wood carving, I think for a really, really good one that's really strong carbon steel, it's like $25 for one chisel, but at least it's not going to snap every time. It's going to last a long time. Plus I have to buy something for sharpening the chisels, maybe some type of file or something. And so I want something to last, because this is something I always do all the time. It's a really fun hobby for me. So I'm probably going to pick up some of that within the next week, I would say. And I'll probably get some of that soft wood, the chisels and everything, something to sharpen them and see what I can make. And I want to try and do a little bit of abstract stuff on a big wooden panel. Probably, I'd say, maybe about this big, like maybe 2 feet or something. And kind of practice doing abstract stuff on it before I try to move into doing sculptures and stuff with wood or portraits and all that. And I think it'll be really fun to do. Kind of see what I can do with woodworking without really any experience at all. But bring all that practice and all the years of drawing and everything, and put that into woodworking and see what I can make. I think it'll be interesting. And if you have any suggestions about what you want me to make with the wood carving, let me know, and I'll try and make a video on it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you around. Have a good day.